Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your UnitedHealthcare insurance portal, secure login guide step by step clearly. To log into your UnitedHealthcare insurance portal, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the UnitedHealthcare insurance portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the link provided for recovery options. Follow the prompts to retrieve your username or reset your password. Once your username and password are correctly entered, click the Login button. You may be required to complete an additional security check, such as answering a security question or entering a verification code. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the security check. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access your insurance information, claims, and other services. If you experience any issues during the login process, consider checking your internet connection. Alternatively, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try again. For further assistance, contact UnitedHealthcare customer support for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.